Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Slack to Asana with Integrately. It's the fastest way to turn Slack messages into tasks. First, log into your Integrately account to get started. Let's get started. Select Slack as your first app, then choose Asana as your second. To set up your workflow, either select a pre-built one-click automation or customize one by choosing your preferred trigger and action. From the one-click automations in Integrately, pick Send Slack Message for New Asana Task and click Activate. I've also added the direct link in the description so you can try it instantly. Next, connect your Asana account. After signing in, select your workspace and the project that will trigger this automation. Now connect your Slack account by clicking Sign into Slack to authorize the connection. In the Builder, configure your Slack message by selecting the recipient's username from the drop-down. Finally, switch on Test and Turn On to activate your automation. Once confirmed, every new Asana task will trigger a Slack message through Integrately. And that's it. Slack to Asana made effortless with Integrately. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description to try it yourself.